I know, I'm like overwhelmed. I don't know where to begin. We're moving! Woo! Usually I like moving, but the fact that I have to do this in such a short amount of time in the state of my life right now is not ideal. That's why Leah's here. Leah's already planning in the background. She's here to help me. Today's Saturday, May 2nd, and I move on Monday, May 4th. No, wait. Oh no, today's the 3rd. Yeah. Today's Saturday, May 3rd. I move on the 5th, which is in 2 days. I have not packed a single thing in this apartment. We're gonna try to at least get the kitchen done and like most of the decor and little things because I also have to work tomorrow. There's literally no time to do this, but it's gonna be a fast turnaround. Yeah, if you guys are just hopping into the videos, I'm like, where have I left off? I bought a house. I'm moving into said house. However, May is probably one of the craziest months of my life. I already went on a vacation. I got back yesterday, got the keys to the house. I leave on Wednesday for my friend Taylor's bachelorette party. Then I get back and I work. And then I leave and I go to Italy and Greece for like 8 more days. And then I come back and I work and then May's over. So I've decided to not actually move into the house. I'm simply gonna just get everything out of my apartment so I don't have to pay like a whole nother full month of rent. We're gonna chuck everything into the garage of the new house because there's a lot of like house projects of things that I want to do while it's empty. All the popcorn ceilings need to be fixed. All of the walls need to be painted white. Things that it would be helpful to not have furniture in. Also, Leah, you should tell me if I should purge anything. We should probably make like a Goodwill pile. I'm working on 4 hours of sleep right now. So if the energy is low, that's why. I had coffee. I've had no food. I might make some food. And then I'm gonna start my laundry. I have to unpack from the trip that I just got back from yesterday, repack for the next trip, do my laundry. Leah's just such an independent, organized gal. She's just gonna take the kitchen and I'm gonna do all the rest of the apartment. And we're gonna crank this thing out and it's gonna work out. Also, in other news, maybe we should test it live on camera. Had a little incident on the plane yesterday and the water bottle that I purchased for $8 from LAX, the lid leaked all over the inside of my, yeah, it was an $8 bottle of water. Leaked all over my bag with my laptop in it. So my laptop's been sitting like this for the past couple hours. This is the moment of truth to see if it turns on. I don't see any like obvious water, so I think it's safe to turn on. I'm nervous. The screen is black. It's gonna work. She's manifesting that it's gonna work. We're gonna let it sit for a little bit and then we'll keep you guys updated. The light's not even turning on that it's plugged in, which I feel like is a bad sign. Okay, well, she's probably a goner. It's not looking good. There's no light.
Have you closed it yet?
Yeah, like it's giving she's dead. I think the only option is to pretend that that's not happening, and I think I should start my laundry first and then maybe I'll cook us some food because then I could eat the rest of my food. We're gonna turn on some music. We got suitcase here. We're gonna empty it all. We're gonna start some laundry. Let's do it. Leah's being really good and she's making a pile of things that she thinks that I could get rid of, and I am listening to her. And you guys, I'm getting rid of this mug that's very sentimental because I won this in HPHY 333 motor control class at University of Oregon. My team won and we got these mugs with our professor's face on it. I'm taking a picture and I'm getting rid of it because have I ever drinking anything out of this mug? No. It's going in the pile. I'm also going to decide between K mugs. I don't have a lot of storage at the new space. Which one's better?
Mugs are like such a personal
thing. I'm like, I think I should keep the white one because it'll hold more liquid. Another mug bites the dust. We're getting rid of the Facebook creators mug because this does not define our worth. Do I drink out of this? No. Did I get it at VidCon for free? Yes. You don't need it anymore. We're gonna purge it. We're gonna start fresh in the new place.
That's what it feels like. Haven't been so happy ever.
We're gonna do this cabinet over here. I just went through everything in it, so hopefully it'll be pretty good. Probably need a bigger bin for this. This might be for decor stuff. It's gonna be a heavy one because there's gonna be a lot of books in it. Wait, you don't need a TV, do you?
I mean, I probably do.
Do you need a TV? Do you want to take this TV?
Does it work?
Yeah, it's great. It's Roku.
Oh,
because I got a new TV.
One.
Yeah, you should
I'll
take this.
take it.
This is like 55. It's perfect. And I'll give you the mount and everything for it.
Seems like it's for real this time.
We should have timed ourselves when we started, but I think we started at like 12:15 maybe. It's like 1:08, so we're doing really well. Leah's crushing it. She's doing all the wine glasses. Look how nice this looks. If you ever need help moving in Portland, call my girl Leah. Look at her. I packed everything almost that's in this. We have all of my other cups in here. This is like all of my games, all of my nursing stuff. Anyway, I'm gonna cook one last thing in this apartment. I have all the ingredients to make some Greek bowls, and I don't want to waste my food, and I need lunch for tomorrow. Little one of these now. Woo! Do some shopping. This is one of my favorite dishes to make, so I'm actually kind of excited.
Where are we from and where do we go? All the words in the scriptures with the pretty.
This is the final meal in apartment 302. We got the Greek bowls. Now you know where I live. We're gonna enjoy our feast because we've been working hard over here.
Space and time before the light, or does that story just make you bored?
Update, it is currently 2:30. Actually, we're making a lot of progress quite quickly. This is the state of the apartment right now. It's looking a little bit crazy. We're making good progress. I made lunch, packed my lunch for tomorrow. I'm washing all of like the main fruit bowls and things like that so we can pack them all up and everything's clean when I unpack. And I think my next task is gonna be to decide like what I'm gonna throw out from the fridge, the pantry, and all of like my oils and things like that so that I know exactly what I'm bringing. We're gonna go through all the food and figure out what we can get rid of. I'm thinking I already spent the last night in this apartment, so I should probably just wash all of my linens on my bed, and so that's all clean and folded and ready and nice. So I might do that too. Let's go through the food.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Treating every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either of us at this point.
How's it going, Leah? It's going great. Leah's taking charge and just ripping stuff off the wall because she knows I probably wouldn't be able to do it myself because I'm too sentimental. And now the walls look sad and empty. We're doing good. This is our little decor pile. We officially filled up every single bin that we have. So I think we're gonna go to the store and get some more bins. It's really nice to move in these clear bins. If you guys have been following all my moves, I always use these and there's never enough. Basically the kitchen's pretty much packed. I have to go through all of these sauces, but I'm procrastinating, but everything else here is totally empty, which is so wild. I have dishes in the dishwasher right now, and I have all of my bedding and the rest of my linens. I threw away the liner of my shower curtain, and then I'm washing my shower curtain. So everything will be all clean. I'm just gonna pack it all in my laundry bin. This is my room. There's a lot of decor in my room. We also have to go through the freezer, which I'm procrastinating too. Do I need to Google this? Guys, can I put syrup down the drain? I don't know, but this is moldy syrup that's been haunting me in my cupboards for probably 2 years. But I told Leah I was gonna be brave, so I didn't waste the mason jar. We're gonna Google this. It can be difficult to wash them down the drain. They belong in the trash, not in the sink. Ew, I'm gonna have to like pour it in a bag and then like throw it in the trash. We're gonna overcome our fears. I'm hitting a wall because my lack of sleep is finally catching up to me. Leah's still going. My amazing friend Erica and Lauren, they're bringing some bins so that we can keep packing. Laundry is still spinning in the dryer, and then I'm gonna pack for the bachelorette party. Okay, I'm gonna get a bag. We're gonna pour the syrup down. I'm not even gonna ask you to help me with this because I think it's gonna be bad.
I'm scared for you.
I'm scared for me too. I think that I have cleaned up worse in the hospital. You know, this isn't C. diff, it's just some mold. It's gonna be like pressurized. Okay, the lid's off. I did it. Oh, it came out pretty fast. Look at us. So we continue. We're on our final cupboard here. Spice cupboard. I feel like some of these I could get rid of. Oh, I actually needed some of these to make my recipe.
Okay.
I might take these. Guess who joined me? I got a new moral support. It's Erica. But this is what I need. Like in packing world, the kitchen is done, you guys. I went through the freezer and that's all that I'm gonna take to someone's house. Fridge is looking pretty good. Everything is literally empty. This is all my kitchen right here. All of my like spices. This is all Goodwill, moving blankets. We've taken out the trash multiple times. And now I'm packing the bathroom a little bit, trying to get some stuff done while I'm like hitting a wall. I have 20 minutes left on the clock till all of my bedding is done. And then I think I'm gonna get out of here. I thought I was gonna like pack for the bachelorette party, but I think that might be a later date situation because frankly, I'm just really tired and I'm trying to get through. So I feel like I got a lot more done than I expected, and that's a win. I'm officially ending the vlog because we're pretty much packed. So I'm gonna talk to you guys on official moving day. Thank you so much for watching. Today's question of the day is gonna be, what is your least favorite part about moving? Mine is the getting started part. That's it. I'll talk to you guys very soon. 48 hours, we will be moving into the new house. I'll talk to you later. Bye.
And every year we're expected to show all the things that we were able to grow. When you're making half the money, but the cost is double. Quiet life of desperation, but it ain't gonna make me too much longer. Been working too hard for this shit to not bother.